We're going to be looking at finding the areas of composite shapes. So let's look at a few examples. The first example that we're going to do, find the area of a half a circle or a semicircle. Then we're going to find the area of a triangle attached to a rectangle. So let's start working through these. The area of a circle is pi r squared. And since we're doing half a circle or a semicircle, so we're finding the area of a semicircle. And that's the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. And since this is half a circle, we're going to divide by 2. 20 is the distance through the entire circle, or the diameter. So the radius is going to be half of the diameter, which is 20 over 2. So the radius is 10 feet. We use 3.14 for pi, so we're going to replace pi with 3.14, and we're going to multiply by 10 squared and divide our answer by 2. So 10 squared is 100, or 10 times 10. If you have a good scientific calculator, you'd put in 3.14 times 10 squared divided by 2. According to BEDMAS, you have to work out the square before you multiply or divide. And when we put all of this in our calculator, we get 157. And of course, we're dealing with feet, so we're going to write a therefore area is 157 feet squared. Now let's look at our other example. This is the area of a rectangle and a triangle. So what we're doing is area of rectangle because it's a composite shape. That means two shapes combined. We're going to find the area of the rectangle and add it to the area of the triangle. And that's equal to our total area. So this becomes length times width is the area of a rectangle. And if our length is 6 and our width is 12, it becomes 6 times 12, which is 72. Then the next thing we're going to find is the area of our triangle. So area of triangle is base times height divided by 2. So the area is this 6 down here is the same as this 6 up here. So that's our base, and our height is 4. So it's 6 times 4 divided by 2. And if we do this all on our calculators, we'd end up with 12. So we have the area of the triangle and the area of the rectangle. Now to find our total area, we have to add both. So our total area equals 72 plus 12. And that gives us 84. And now to include our units, we write our therefore symbol. Area is 84 centimeters squared. Anytime you find the area, it's always the unit squared. And again, you always have to check to make sure all the units are the same. Centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. In this case, we only had one measurement, the feet. And that's how we find the area of these shapes.